the street looking for a prostitute, sipping on coochie juice.
You always drinking that, man. That's not right, huh?
If you knew
That's
like,
not right, man.
if you knew like I know, you'd be sipping coochie juice.
That better not be the same shit you put in my baby bottle when we were little.
It sure was. You came out straight, didn't you?
I came out
You
pretty...
ain't like this, is you?
I came out pretty straight.
You doggone right.
I came
You
out
wouldn't be
pretty...
standing by me if you wasn't.
You know I came
You
out
were the
pretty
sweet
good.
tart and
You know
rainbow.
I came out pretty
Ain't no
good.
rainbows around
I
here.
did come out pretty
Hey,
good.
man, what's going on with you, man?
What's up, baby? What's
What's
this?
going on?
My damn, give us some love, baby.
How you been, man? How you been? What's going on with you?
Man, I got a serious problem.
What the problem
What's
is?
going on?
Man, my motor won't crank, man.
Man, Junior, you'll fix it. Go on down, take it down into the shop. Yeah.
Come right up the street.
Right up the street.
Yeah, he got tires and everything.
No,
He'll get you right.
I don't think y'all really hearing me. I'm saying, man, my girl been tripping. I ain't been able to get it right.
Was it
What's
wrong?
wrong?
Man, I don't
You
know.
said your car.
Yeah, the car.
No, my motor, man.
You need a new motor?
Oh, no, man.
What are you talking about?
You got the right shit for him.
I got the right one?
You got the right shit for
He
him.
talking about the love below?
He noodles right. He noodle leg right now.
His noodle ain't balling?
He got a noodle leg.
Boy, you can't get it hot in the kitchen.
Man,
I don't know what's going on.
He need a jack.
I've been trying.
You need a jack. I ain't giving you no jack.
you got the shit, though.
Oh, I know what you're talking about, boy. Nigga, I got something first. First thing you need to do, you need to sit some of this coochie juice, put this in your cup. Put a little bit. Don't be scared of it, boy. See, that's why your noodle ain't working.
I
But
see, I tried.
I tried.
Look.
Tell him.
Look, you know what? We're going to take care of you, bro. Come on, come this way.
We ain't gonna take care of it, but we gonna get you right.
Yeah, we're going to get you right. Come on
Yeah,
this
why
way.
we gonna take care of you, but we gonna get you right.
Just come to the lab. You know what I'm saying?
Well, look,
It
let
gets-
me let y'all know something, man. I really need y'all, man, because, man, I've been trying to get it up,
Hey,
man.
no,
And
hold
I've
on,
been
hold on,
stressing.
hold on,
I've been
hold on.
stressing. It's been hard, man.
It
You
ain't
know
been
what?
hard if you been
I don't know. I don't.
That's my little shooter. I tell him to shoot, he gon' shoot you. That's my little shooter. Nigga try me, he gon' shoot you. That's my little shooter. Put a bag on your head, he gon' shoot you. He gon' walk a nigga down. He gon' gun a nigga down. That's my little shooter. I tell him to shoot, he gon' shoot you. That's my little shooter. Nigga try me, he gon' shoot you. That's my little shooter. Put a bag.
Shit, motherfucker, I got merch, nigga. Dab you now, I got merch. Even got something for the ladies. $10 shirts, $15 for the team side. This for the ladies. I got merch. Ladies, it's for the ladies. I got merch, $10 shirts. It's the 3rd. I know you got your checks. I got merch. Come holler at me. Get your shirts. I got merch, $10 shirts. I know you got your check. I got merch, $10 shirts. That's for the ladies. $2 Tuesday. I got merch, $10 shirts.